Moving on, in the introduction video, three parts of the web application were discussed. Now, we will dive deeper into the second part, that is the data analysis part of the web application. The data analysis part is quite easy to understand. On this web page, you will first see an overview of the data science page, explaining two sections of it: the histogram and trend or pattern analyses, which are basically done on the properties of exoplanets, its host star, and the system. And then we will see the predictive or regression analyses, where we compare two properties and derive one property from another. For the first part of the histogram trend or pattern analysis, you should see the title highlighted in yellow with a description to it in the left under the title and an interactive graph to the right. The second part includes description with a title and two interactive graphs below the description depending upon the properties being related. Now let us have a closer look at the UI of the interactive graphs and see what we can do with them. Firstly, you should see the move tool, which has been enabled by default. It is used to pan around the graph. Next, you should see the box zoom tool, through which you can draw a box on the part where you want to zoom on the graph. I find this tool really helpful to see specific areas of the graph and analyze them. Next, there is the wheel zoom tool, which you can use to zoom using the scroll wheel. Next is the save tool, to save the currently zoomed in graph as an image. Finally, the last tool is the reset tool, to reset the graph to its original position.